Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on fraction of a quantity. This video naturally follows on from the lessons we saw on multiplication of fractions. Example 1. A half of 8. So that's the fraction of a quantity. In this situation, the word of stands for multiplication. So, we can rewrite the question in the following way. A half times 8, because of stands for multiplication. This can be rewritten as a half times 8 over 1, because we want it to look like a fraction times a fraction. That way we can follow the simple rules that we learned earlier. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so 8 over 2, and that's 4, because 2 divided into 8 goes 4 times. Example 2. 2/3 of 18. Of means multiplication, so that's actually 2/3 times 18, which is 2/3 times 18 over 1, because we want that to look like a fraction. 2 times 18 is 36. 3 ones are 3. 3 divided into 36 goes 12 times. Example 3. 2/5 of $1.20. Now, when you've got a situation like this, it's much easier to change that amount into cents. So change to cents. So 2/5 is the fraction, which is 2/5 of 120 over 1. Okay? Now, I've done this the short way because we remember that of means multiplication. So once you become very good at this procedure, you can leave 1 or 2 steps out. 2 times 120 is 240. 5 times 1 is 5. 240 divided by 5 gives us 48 cents. Now remember, the answer has to be in cents because we changed the $1.20 into cents, and that's why the answer is in cents. So this video has shown us how to find a fraction of a quantity where the word of actually stands for multiplication. So wherever you see of, that stands for multiplication.